Hey, welcome to everyone on this online class organized by South Point English Boarding School. Me, Silal Mahto, on the subject of social studies. Today we are going to continue the previously federalism. Whatever present constitutions has been divided Nepal into 7 provinces. According to the present constitutions, Nepal has been divided into 7 provinces, and later Nepal has been divided into 77 districts on 5th Bhadra 2074. So, my dear students, we have already cleared the characteristics of province number 1 and province number 2. Today we are going to continue the next province number 3. So, province number 3. Let's see some of the governor and the characteristics of province number 3. Actually, it reveals that out of 100%, 13.7% land is covered by province number 3. It also reveals that 20.8% of population resides in province number 3. The headquarters of province number 3 seems to be Hetauda, and later there are 190 local bodies, including local bodies, including village municipalities, village institutes, municipalities, metropolitans and sub-metropolitans. Later we can to reveal that there seems to be 13 districts, though the name of the districts are mentioned with the formula. Let's see. The formula seems to be so here we can reveal that Nurachi love का बारे में मालूम है. Later in the previous we can reveal that Radhe Sida Sika. Nurachi love का बारे में मालूम है. You may mention Ramechap, धे धादी सी सिंधुली धा धादी सी सिंधु पाचो का काब्रे नु नुआकोट र रसुआ ची चितवन ल ललितपुर भ भक्तपुर का काठमाडौँ एंड म मकवानपुर. So by these ones we can be clear. Radhe Sida Sika Nurachi love का बारे में मलाई. Okay, next one we can reveal that as province number 3, is the highest density of populations out of 7 provinces. We can reveal it that the capital of Nepal, Kathmandu too lies in province number 3. It also reveals that there are various of the Himalayas, mountain. Those seems to be Ganesh, Langtang, Jugal, and so on. Later, these are name of Himalayas, mountain. Later we can tell there are various of the rivers which helps in the irrigations. Those seems to be Bagmati, Trisuli, and so on. Later, as we interest toward the settlement, Bhote and Sherpa are living in mountain regions. In mountain regions, there seems to be Bhote and Sherpa whereas Newards in Kathmandu Valley, and we can reveal that Tharu, Danwar, Mogar are living in Tarai region. So letters we too can tell Sherpa, Limbu are living in mountain regions. Bhote, Sherpa, Limbu are living in mountain regions. Newar in Kathmandu Valley, Tharu, Danwar, Mogar, Brahmin, these the peoples are residing in Tarai regions. If we touch towards the matters of the forest, actually as province number 3 is covered mainly hilly and mountain regions except Chitwans, it reveals that there is the varieties in the calamities of the forest. So the forest are find out in districts way on the matters of altitude. So we may be clear: deciduous forest, coniferous forest, and alpine forest. Alpine forests are found in different area of province number 3 depending upon the altitude. It also reveals that there are 979 industries located in province number 3, as well as there are 38 hydroelectric electricity lies in province number 3. The central trading or the main estates, industrial estates of province number 3 seems to be Hetoda, Patan, and Balaju. These are the essential industrial estates of province number 3. If we touch toward the tourist area, there are various of the national resources, there are various of the conservative area which fraud is the tourism in province number 3. Though the conservation area seems to be Langtang, conservation area, Langtang conservation area, letters Gauri Shankar, conservation area, Gauri Shankar conservation area, Shivapuri National Park. So these are some of the conservation area, as well as various of the Himalayas, mountain regions, the Himalayas, and various of the deciduous forest, which helps in extending the collecting foreign currency as well as home currency through these sources. Now let's interest towards the next provinces. Province number 4. Actually, as we have been completed just province number 3, it is the highly developed and the residing of the youth populations. It reveals that national home residing as well as internationals, the officials are located in province number 3. Province number 3 is the third smallest provinces out of 7 provinces. Let's interest towards province number 4. We know very well province number 4 is the highest to reach area out of all those the provinces. Let's interest toward the characteristics of province number 4. It reveals that 14.6 means 13.7 is of province number 3, 14.6 is of area of province number 4. Okay, so it reveals that it's the area. If we interest toward the province number 4 of province number 4 of population, then 9.7% seems to be the populations out of 100%. It also reveals that altogether there are 89 local bodies. 89 local bodies. Those are 89. Yeah. Altogether 89 local bodies, including the village executives, municipalities, metropolitans and sub-metropolitans. Now, as we touch toward the districts, there are 11 districts. There are 11 districts. Though the 11 districts can be mentioned with the formula. Let's see the formula. Mamu to no paka. Golma Basya. Mamu to no paka. Mamu to no paka. Golma Basya. Let's see 11 districts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and this 11. Let's see. Ma, Manan, Mu, Mustan, Pa, Panu, No, Navalparasi Purbi, Pa, Parvat, Ka, Kaski, Go, Golha, letters, Lo, Lomzum, Ma, Magdi, Ba, Bagun, Sya, Sangza. Okay. If we interest towards the mountain, it reveals that if we interest toward the mountain, there seems to be Manaslu mountain, Dhaulagiri mountain, Annapurna mountain, and so on, which has been helps in the tourist resides of province number 4. Okay, it also reveals that there seems to be the various of the rivers which has been helps in the water resources. Those seems to be Kali Gandaki, Budi Gandaki, Seti, and so on. It also reveals that there are various of the lake which has been helps in tourism research. Those seems to be Tilijo Lake, Rupatal, Fevatal, and so on. It also says that there are various of the temple. Though the temple seems to be Muktinath temple, Rishikesh temples, and so on. It also reveals that there are various of the conservation area which helps in the tourism. Those seems to be Annapurna conservation area, Dorpatam hunting resorts. Now I am going to stop it. Next will be in next episode. Thank you.